So, hello people, welcome to live doodling session today, and we are going to doodle the feather. So, I hope you have your stuff ready. So welcome to the doodle session, and I hope you've kept your stuff ready. And what we're going to do is we're going to make this feather doodle, and I'm going to take you step by step on how this has to be done. And it's very easy, very simple, and let's get started. So all you need is a paper, a pencil, eraser, and a black felt pen. If you don't have a black felt pen, even a black gel pen or a black ball pen would do. If nothing, even with pencil we can doodle. It's all about having fun. It's not about being perfect. It's not about judging what we are making. It's just about 1 hour of doodling. So since we have just 1 hour, let's get started. So what do we do first? First, we make this stem of the feather. Then we start making the feathers, and since we have to doodle, we need the feathers to be long and elongated. The spacing between the feathers does not need to be precise. If by chance you're going a different way, it is totally okay, because no artist is the same. So even if by chance you're making with less spacing, it's completely okay. And if you want to see, basically this is just like making a leaf, a feather leaf. So you just go on doing that till you fill in your page. Small leaflets which we can doodle. If you have any questions, please ask. I can repeat it again. How do we have to do it? And it's very simple. It's all about just making a leaf. Since we've got done with this side, like you can see, we'll start doodling this and making it on the other side. If you have any questions regarding this, please do let me know and I can repeat it. So basically, like you've asked, the leaf is nothing but it's just going like this. It's like a leaf, but because it's on the stem, it looks like a feather. So it goes like this. So there's not much of a difference, and this doesn't have to be perfect. It can be simple. It can be of any. It can be a small leaf if you wish. It can be a long leaf. Whatever you feel like, however you want your leaf to look in the feather, you can make it that way. So now let's get done with the left side, so that then we can start doodling on the left. So like you can see now, I have zoomed in as someone has asked me to zoom in. Prince Asad, you just asked me what are the new things I'm learning this lockdown. So I am learning a lot more about painting, different types of painting, from doodling, and you can try to doodle this and send me a picture by tagging Shweta Roira and Artsy Chick. Why so busy? You can show me your art by tagging Shweta Roira and at Artsy Chick, and would love to see your art. Where this is concerned, now that our feather is done, and since someone has asked me to zoom in, I hope the zoom in is enough. you can see that with pencil we have done it, and now we're going to start doodling. There's a little difference between doodling and Zentangle. Yes, Sitesh. Thank you so much for the compliment. Hola, Joe. Thank you, Ritu. I hope you're enjoying the doodling. Nancy, it's okay if you have eating hearts. You will enjoy this. Trust me, take a pencil and get started. Prakash, what you can do is after it is done, you can DM by tagging me. Tag me on the picture and tag also at Artsy Chick, and we will see it. I'll put the handle later. Rasna, thank you for joining in. I hope this doodling is fun for you and hope you enjoy it. And let's get started with feather doodling. If you have any questions regarding doodling or Zentangle or anything specific, please ask. If you have any questions regarding doodling, please ask. I'll be happy to answer. And now that we've started drawing, let's get started with the doodling part with the marker. So this is Micron pen Staedtler that I'm using, and you can also, I'm using the Micron Staedtler pen as someone has just asked. This also comes in different brands and you can get it at any art shop. These are specially used for doodling and Zentangle. They range from 0.05 mm to 0.8 mm. Okay, someone has asked me, will I get a single pen? I have always bought a set, so I really have no idea, but you can check with ArtStation. That's where I always buy from my stuff. And since we are going to start the basic outlining, so let's start with 0.8. So I'm just running over the pencil that we've drawn. Some people, if you're confident enough, please go ahead and draw the feather directly with the marker. I always prefer drawing with the pencil and then going ahead with it because it's easier. And like they say in drawing, like it's in life, you can only draw once and you cannot erase it. So might as well let's try with the pencil first, so that if we want to erase something, we can. So doodling is also very therapeutic because doodling works with your subconscious mind. Doodling basically tells your subconscious mind to be at ease. It keeps you from distractions, and it is a form of art therapy which is lately very popular. And doodling is basically scribbling and going without thinking what is the art form. So even in this feather, like you can see in this, we don't have the same design. What we've done is we've worked with the lines, with the curves, and the triangles. That is all that we've worked with, and you can make a combination of all of it and accordingly go ahead. Kuman Raj, thank you so much for the compliment. Okay, someone just asked me how do I do this. So basically doodling is all about practicing your scribbling. Doodling used to be something जो हम school में करते थे, like at the sides of our notebooks while teacher was teaching and all. That's the same thing that we are doing today in the painting form. Thank you, Tranquil Pacific. Hi, Sharma ji. Thanks for joining in on this site, on the live chat. Hope you enjoy doodling. So let's start filling these leaflets with the doodle that we started. Let me know if you all want me to wait. Otherwise, I'll start continuing. In graphology and art therapy, also one more reason of tracing a particular thing is why they always say is that trace is because when you're tracing, you are tracing your subconscious patterns, which also helps in art therapy. Hi Razi, hope you're enjoying the doodling session, and I know you don't like art much, but doodling is always fun. And the best thing about doodling is you don't have to be an artist, you just need to enjoy the art form. Hi Karishma, nice to have you on the chat, and I know how much you like doodling, so hope you enjoyed this doodle session, and I hope I get to see your doodle thing. Hi Vivek. Oi hoi la Patiala, welcome to the chat. So the first leaflet, we are going to start with a very simple thing, which is the lines. So in this, what do? Is we just do the lines, and it doesn't have to be a straight line. You can make the lines however. So the best thing about this lines is you can just make the lines and let your hand just flow. However the lines are going, you really don't have to think straight है, क्या spacing है, कैसे होगा, टेढ़ी हो रही हैं, कुछ नहीं. Just let your hand flow. Now I usually personally don't like spacing much, so I'm going to fill the spaces in between with lines. If you like it like this, you can leave it like this. There is no thumb rule कि ये करना ही है, क्योंकि ये science नहीं है, math नहीं है, ये art है. So I am filling it between the lines. And see how simple it is. Our first line is done. Welcome Bharat sir. I'm glad you're enjoying the doodling session. So let's go on the second leaflet. Second leaflet, like you can see, is called cursive lines. आपने ये cursive writing में भी किया होगा. It is something that used to happen very closely when we used to do while cursive writing. So you just go उल्टा S, फिर सीधा S, उल्टा S, सीधा S, उल्टा S, सीधा S. S for Shweta, S for doodling. So this is how you do this, and your second leaflet is done. You see, doodling is how easy. It is the easiest form of art form, and the best thing is you can just keep doing it with just pencil, pen, ball pen, anything. The third one, we are making the triangles. ये हम ज़्यादातर रंगोली में काफ़ी बनाया करते थे, तो normal triangles. Doodling में कितनी बार अगर आपको भरना हो, so you can always fill it with circles and lines. So I'm going to fill this triangles with circles. Hi Anish Sharma, hope you're enjoying doodling. Hi Ashu, hi Abhilesh, I hope आप सब doodling enjoy कर रहे हैं. And we fill these triangles with simple lines. Again, I'm mentioning lines don't have to be of the same size. You can fill it as much as you want. And like I said, there is always a cursive circle lines, उसी से करते हैं. तो अब हम circle की twirling करेंगे. This is my favorite twirling. There are some designs that I have filled with this twirling. It's very simple. आप एक C बनाओ और वो C को फिर गोल गोल घुमाते जाओ. It's that simple. फिर एक C बनाई आपने और वो C को घुमाते रहे. आप पूरा लीफ भी इससे भर सकते हैं, बट आई वॉन्ट टू डू द चेक्स, सो आई एम गोना गो टू डूइंग द चेक्स. तो यहाँ पे आपने एक सिंपल ये कर दिया. डूडलिंग का एक और फॉर्म है. अगर आपको डेप्थ भरनी है कोई पर्टिकुलर डिज़ाइन में, तो आप क्या करते हैं, आप वो डिज़ाइन में कलर भर देते हैं. तो एक ब्लैक एंड वाइट का आपका जब कॉम्बिनेशन होता है, ऑटोमेटिकली डेप्थ हो जाती है. अगर आपके पास फेल पेन है तो आप ये फेल पेन से भी भर सकते हैं, या जेल मार्कर्स हैं तो उससे भी फटाफट भर जाता है. बट सिंस आई यूजली डोंट लाइक मिक्सिंग different pens, so I am going to fill it with the 0.8 only that we are using. थैंक यू सुधीर, आई एम हैप्पी दैट यू आर एंजॉइंग इट. दीपक, आप कर सकते हो. तुम तो वैसे ही कलेश कर दोगे ड्राइंग करते हुए, तो प्लीज ट्राई करो एंड आई एम श्योर इससे बेटर बना दोगे तुम, और साथ में कमेंट्री भी बेटर दोगे. तो इंस्टेड आई थिंक यू शुड मेक अ वीडियो and send me soon regarding the same doodle painting with some extra comments of yours, and I'm sure you'll be good at it, क्योंकि doodling कोई भी कर सकता है. मैं कर सकती हूँ तो कोई भी कर सकता है. Dada rocking, I'm happy you're enjoying the doodling and I hope this is fine. If you all want me to go slow or anything, please do let me know. अब इसमें हम छोटे छोटे चेक्स बनाने वाले हैं. और वो चेक्स को भी हम भरने वाले हैं. चेक्स में जब आप ऑल्टरनेट भरते हो तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. अगर बड़े चेक्स हो तो आप ये चेक्स को लाइंस में भी भर सकते हैं. So the next one that we are going to do is again circles and everything. And आपने वो लीफ को आपने 2 हिस्से में डिवाइड किया. पतली सी लाइन आपने ली उसको फर्दर डिवाइड करने के लिए. फिर आप उसमें सर्कल्स कर सकते हैं. उसके अंदर एक और यू. So this is called U doodling, where you're just making a U shape. And यहाँ पे हम फिर lines बनाएंगे. Like I said, lines में what you can do is slant lines, vertical lines, horizontal lines. You can only play with the lines. There's also a line art called, there's an art form called line art, जो खाली line से बनता है. Which also, if you all want to see, we can do that session also very soon. So this is Hi Smriti Wangnu, I hope you're enjoying doodling. ये जो प्लेन लाइन है आई एम गोइंग टू फिल इट विथ बेसिक कलरिंग, पर हम पूरा नहीं भरेंगे, इसे हल्का सा शेडिंग टाइप भरेंगे. और ये जो ऊपर का है, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा, भरने से ही आप डेप्थ क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. तो हम ये ऊपर की लाइन भर देंगे. थैंक यू कल्पेश. ताकि ये जो यू है ये उठ के आ जाए. अब ये जो दूसरे 2 लीव्स हैं इसमें हम फिर करेंगे लाइंस और सर्कल्स. ये करेंगे माय फेवरेट ट्रायंगल. तो ये जो ट्रायंगल स्लांट लाइंस से भरेंगे और इसके जो 3 कॉर्नर उसको हम और ये वाला 0. So 0 is an other form circles besides line, triangle and all, जिससे आप doodling ये lines बनाइए. और मैं alternately 0 और straight lines कर रही हूँ और भर रही हूँ. आपको चाहिए तो आप ये पूरी lines भी 0 से भर सकते हैं. And like we were playing with 0 and this. So you can work with different size of the zeros. Thank you, Alchemy Design Studio. I'm so glad that you're part of the doodle session and you're getting to know the process. Being an artist, I'm sure that you must be loving to doodle and enjoy this form of art too. सुमाई आफरीन, वी आर नॉट डूइंग कलर्स टुडे. आज हम सिर्फ ब्लैक से डूडलिंग कर रहे हैं. वील डू समथिंग सून विद कलर्स टू. बट अगर आपको ये डूडल बना के उसको फिल करना है विद कलर्स, यू कैन ऑलवेज फिल इट विद कलर पेंसिल्स और वट एवर कलर्स यू हैव आफ्टर डूइंग द होल थिंग, बिकॉज मार्कर्स नेवर ब्लीड. और अगर आपको ये सेम डूडल कलर फॉर्म में भी करना है तो वॉट यू कैन डू इज you can make the same doodle with colored felt pen. So instead of doing this thing that I'm doing with black, आप उसे completely अलग अलग कलर पेन से हर एक लीफ कर सकते हैं. You can do it with different shades of blue. No, I did not color my nails on my own. I wish I knew how to do it. That was something I would be more than happy in quarantine if I could color my nails and make it as colorful as the doodle that usually I do, not this black and white doodle. Diksha, anything else? Like I mentioned earlier, Shraddha, the pen that I'm using is Staedtler pigment liner. It is used specially for fine art, line art and doodling. It comes in various brands and you can use anything for doodling. That's the best part about doodling. Hi Junaid, hi Wolverine. Junaid, I just gave you a response. Hi Nanawat. And again, simple this. So if you see, our basic is done, and if you see closely, we have just used lines and circle. But if you see it closely, what we've done is this is thin lines. This is slant lines, this is checkered lines, this is horizontal and vertical lines, this is lines and circle, this is rectangle and circle and lines. And now let's first complete this side completely, and once you're ready then we'll go on the left side. So what we're going to do is between the feathers, now we're going to do filling in between the feathers. So this is those thin threads that come when you see a feather. So this can be anything. When you're doing this, just put very less pressure on your pen, so automatically you'll get different strokes and you can see the difference. Like here I've put a lot of pressure, so it's a little darker. Here I've put a little less. These are small strokes that we are doing to fill in. This is like scribbling. तो जैसे हमने वहाँ strokes किए, यहाँ पे हम scribbling कर रहे हैं. So this is like, you can use this stroke even if you're doing a leaf. इसको हम कैंसिलेशन स्ट्रोक भी कहते हैं, जब जनरली हम इरिटेटेड होते हैं और कुछ कैंसिल कर रहे होते हैं. So we'll end up scribbling. This is called that stroke. So it's this is like leaf. Driving minutes. Thank you Vivek. I'm sure I will teach Vihan very soon, and I'm going to teach him directly a lot of art form, not only this doodling but many other art forms. It's just the Apple Pencil something that I won't be able to teach. Onko happy, I'm glad you liked it. Looking forward to do a workshop with you on Sunday, where we are going to make a Mother's Day card with color pencil and doodling. So all of you who want to make a Mother's Day card, please stay tuned in. We're going to do a workshop with Onko Happy on Sunday. Karishma and I are doing it together, so we're going to have a lot of fun on Sunday on Mother's Day too. And now this side, you may think it's complete, but it's not complete. We need to retrace every line so that it is finished. So when we make retrace, always retracing the lines that you've drawn gives it some definition and makes the drawing look complete. Outlining is a very important part of a drawing. Thank you, Sanya. Yes, it is definitely meditative and calming, and I'm so glad that you are enjoying the process. Hi, Karan Singh. I hope you are enjoying doodling in this quarantine. कुछ नया कर लो. Doodling enjoy कर रहे हो, I hope. सो जस्ट ये दो लीफ और हमारी ये साइड की लीफलेट्स, एक साइड का फेदर हमारा डूडलिंग से रेडी हो जाएगा. आई वॉन्ट टू रिट्रेस दिस एस, सो आई एम डूइंग इट अगेन because it will just give it some more thickness. अब जब आप लाइंस वाली जो जगह है उसको जब आप थिक करते हैं लीफ से, आउटलाइनिंग से, तो जो अंदर की पतली लाइंस है उसका डेफिनेशन ऑटोमेटिकली बढ़ जाता है. So like you can see, one side of the doodling is, one side of a leaf is ready, and you can do the same thing on the other side or do a different side of doodles, like whatever you feel you can do that. I'm going to do a different side right now, so I'm going to do a different side. One, I'm going to make simple leaf here, and which is very simple. ये तो हमने बचपन में आर्ट स्कूल में भी किया है. Creating leaves is something all of us have done in school, but we are not going to fill it with green color. We are going to fill it with a black color only, since we are not using colors on doodling today. अगर आप कलर्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं then you can obviously fill this with a green color or whatever color you want to fill it with. Even a colored feathered doodle looks very pretty. When you make your doodles, please do tag Shweta Rohira and Artsy Chick for us to see it, and we would like to even repost it. It's okay if you are not finishing right now, you can learn it and do it aaram se. You don't need to rush in. Like I told you here, this particular जो हमने सी की थी और उसको गोल गोल करते रहते, हमने यहाँ पे सिर्फ ये कुछ किए थे, but you can also fill the whole thing like this, and that's what I'm gonna do in this leaflet. I'm gonna fill this whole leaf with just the C. And this C is really easy. C and then in. C and then in. It's that simple. This particular leaf, again, like the earlier one, I'm going to divide it in half, and then I'm going to do the U, and this we are going to do triangle. So अगर आप notice करें, what we are doing is we are doing similar patterns, just changing it little here and there. Sumit, I hope you're enjoying the doodling session. Hi Adil. Hi Nikhil. Dinara Vivek. So now we are making, to fill this section, simple lines. And now here, like we did here, we filled the upper thing. Here I don't want to fill, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it with lines. And since I want to add definition, so जो अंदर के U है उसको हम thick outlining करेंगे. This one we are going to keep it very simple. So sometimes doodling also you can fill it with another art form, is like create stuff that you see around. So this is this thing called doodling tree, which is nothing but 8 line or simple vertical lines, grass type. आप ऐसे ही अलग अलग शेप्स बना के उसको भर सकते हैं एंड डिस्कवर योर फॉर्म ऑफ डूडलिंग, व्हाट यू एंजॉय, व्हाट गिव्स यू रिलैक्सेशन. This is again half C that we are doing. And this half तो थोड़ा white भी दिखे पर वो filled भी लगे. You can do it either like that, or you can fill it completely. अगर आपको ऐसे नहीं करना है, आप सिंपल छोटी छोटी लाइंस भी कर सकते हैं इसमें. ये वाला मैं completely ज़ीरोस से भरने वाली हूँ, छोटे छोटे ज़ीरोस से. You see, it's so easy to do doodling. Anybody can do a doodle. You don't have to be an artist to do doodling. Instead, you can keep doing doodling and become an artist. Actually, everyone is an artist. Everyone is doing some or the other form of art. Cooking is an art. Doodling is an art. We just need to practice and we can do it. Hi Uma, thank you. I hope you are enjoying the doodling session and I'm going to see a doodle feather by you very soon. कल्पेश, ये बस आ ही जाते हैं. प्रैक्टिस करते करते कैसे डूडल करना है वो ऑटोमेटिकली दिमाग में आ जाता है. इट्स नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मेक बिग ज़ीरोज़ अगेन. जैसे जैसे लीफ बढ़ रही है हम वो ज़ीरो का साइज भी बढ़ा रहे हैं, जस्ट जैसे हमने यहाँ पे किया था. और ताकि उसको डेफिनेशन मिले तो हम अंदर a balance of black and white adds a little depth to whatever painting you're doing. And now you see we have finished doodling on the left hand side too, and now we're going to fill in feathers के बीच का. ये वाला आप जितना अपने प्रेशर पे हाथ कम डालोगे वैसे आपके स्ट्रोक्स बढ़ते जाएंगे. सो यू कैन सी द मोमेंट आई पुट मोर प्रेशर इट डार्कन्स, द मोमेंट आई पुट लेस द स्ट्रोक्स गो डिफरेंट. This is swirling, or like a comma that we say. I'm very glad that your girlfriend is enjoying this. My Froyoland, hi. I hope once the quarantine is over and places open at Froyo, we do some more doodling sessions and paint some more wings. So like you see, our doodle is almost ready. Now we shall just fill in this side and darken the leaflets. So like you saw, doodling is very easy. It is just scribbling. And somebody just asked me what is the difference between Zentangle and doodling. Well, the little difference between Zentangle and doodling is Zentangle has a fixed pattern. It is also used in art therapy. It is fixed. It is similar to doodle. Doodle is freehand. It nahi hona hai. So doodling is more carefree. Zentangle is a little restricted, but both have their own fun. And now, जो main important part है feather का, the partition. Since the feather का stick is never same, so as a straight line. And like you see, our doodle is ready. And the best part about painting once you do it is signing your own creation. So I hope all of you all have enjoyed this doodle session. And when you all make your paintings, please sign your creations and send me, tagging me. And if you have any questions regarding this particular doodling, the story is going to be up for. So I hope you enjoyed this doodling session, and you have any questions regarding doodling this particular feather, then I am all here. You can DM, or the story is going to be up for good 24 hours, and we might also put it on YouTube how to doodle a particular feather, so you can see it and you can enjoy. Nikhil, what's on my finger? It's a ring. Groove Queen Amy, I hope to see your doodle soon, because I know that you will be very good in doodling. Thank you for attending the session, and I hope you all have enjoyed doodling, and I'm going to look forward for all the doodling pictures. So please do send them soon. And I will, yes Uma, I'm going to upload this on YouTube too. So thank you so much. Thank you Rasna. Welcome Shower Bhai. I hope you enjoyed the chat. Hi Mohit. Thank you Amy. I'm glad you love the work. Looking forward to seeing your doodle. So I'm going to leave you all to doodling right now, and I hope you all enjoy the doodling. Thank you Vivek. Thank you so much for motivating me to do a digital live session. So thank you ABC. And I'm signing out from here so that you all can finish your doodle and send it to me. If there's any particular art form that you all want to learn, be it line art, doodling, Zentangle, color pencils, please do DM, and maybe we can do our next session on that. Thank you. Dinara Vivek. See you. So the next person who's going to go live is Vivek Kapoor 9. He has a live session at 5 o'clock. You all can join him and ask all the questions you all want to ask regarding COVID-19 and how the market is going to be post that. Bye to all, and I hope you all really enjoyed the session. Looking forward for the comments and for the lovely artwork by all. Thank you. Happy?